Hi guys. In this video, I will introduce you to the interfaces for those new to FL Studio. All shows all the materials in the browser menu. Project files. And plugins shows the plugins you have downloaded. You can log into FL Cloud from the Sound section. And you can see the plugins you added to your favorites from the Start section. From this section, you can find and use your sounds as you wish. If you have opened too many files, you can press this button or Ctrl+ up to close them. You can add your files here as I show in this way. If you want to add a file to this section, just drag and drop the file. Thanks for watching.